So hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I got some good news and a bad news. Starting with the bad news, basically I had a visa card, physical visa card, and that has been blocked. The reason being I had some failed transaction, international transactions, and around it was seven. So I couldn't do the payment because I don't know, for some reason it wasn't like I couldn't add the money in my account. So yeah, it just blocked. I didn't know that they have the policy that if you fail some transaction, international transaction, it would block your card. So I called the helpline and they were like, yeah, it has been blocked and now you need to order a new card after a month. So basically I was using that card for meta ads payment and for some my international transactions, for anything I was using that. But now I don't have that card, but I have virtual card. The only problem is I cannot withdraw the money with it until unless I get the physical card. So I guess I will order after a month, and obviously it's gonna cost me as well. I don't know, around 800 rupees, which is like 2 point something dollars for us. So I will need to think about that. Plus, the good news is that basically today we are doing the lead generation. So if we do the lead generation today, we need to find around 1,000 or 1,500 leads so we can reach out to them uh, by Instagram or email or any other kind of thing which we have decided already. So yeah, that's the agenda for us today. So the time is right now 2:50. So I guess I will do in a bit. I'll just get fresh a little. I need to set my room as well. As you can see, I just made my bed because my mom is coming today, and I just don't want her to come directly and just kill me after seeing the condition of the room. And this is the setup. And yeah, the whole thing is done. I just need to sit on my laptop, and there we go. So yeah, I guess I will see you in 10 minutes.
2 hours later.
All right. So right now the time is 3:50. It's been 1 hour since I recorded the intro. So actually I've been searching leads, and this is we have so far found. It's actually around 30 or 50. The reason being I was just trying to use the software because it's so technical, and that's why I was just trying to use it, and trying to get used to of it. So far I have planned that we are gonna go state wise. So here are the states in USA. We are targeting USA for now. We will go in further countries as well as we go along. Right now I have discussed with my partner of fun, so he's saying that he will that I said to him that you should go for these one, like 50%, and I'll go for this one. So we are starting on with the Alabama, then Alaska, Arizona, and all to the Montana. So when we get done with this, then we will start approaching to the clients. And there's a fun part as well, that this software which we are using right now allows us to scrap the emails from the website as well. So we don't need to worry about checking them again and again and scraping the emails, which takes a lot of time if you go through the website and check there. So yeah, this is the thing. And one more thing is that um we are currently searching for gyms. So we are gonna go along with it, but for now we are just going for gym. I don't know if we will change the niche in the future as well. Maybe when we run out of states, we will go for Canada as well. So there are a lot of things. And yeah, that's the thing. Let me find leads, and then I will give you the report that how many leads I have found so far. And today, as today is Saturday, we might start approaching from Monday. So yeah, see you in a bit. So here we are, and not only we, but we have a fan as well. So we are just waiting for the contractor, then we will start the meeting. Basically, in this meeting, we have some specific things to discuss with our contractor, including lead generation and some other things as well, like campaigns, price, and all these kind of things. So obviously I cannot show the meeting right here in this vlog, but I can just show you some clips. If possible, I will show you. Otherwise, this is the update. And tomorrow we have the plan to outreach clients. Like, we will try to approach the clients through Instagram or email. We will firstly choose one, and we will stick with it, and we will keep the target that we need to achieve tomorrow. So that is it. I guess I will meet you after the meeting. So yeah.
2 hours later.
All right. So this is like the fourth cut of this video. Oh man, I can't believe there are so many cuts today in this video. I don't know why. Maybe I know. So let's get to the point. Basically, I just completed the meeting, and the conclusion is basically that yeah, we are lacking some contractors to work for us, because obviously we need to reach out to clients, and we just don't want to stick with them and not approaching to other clients. Sticking means we don't want to spend our time just providing the services, not to reach out to them. So we are gonna hire the contractors to work for us. We will outsource the clients to them, and then we will reach out to other clients. So this is how we will work. So yeah, as far as we have concluded, we got some nice information here which we can use. Plus, this is the thing. Today we did lead generation. Today we final the meeting, and we are in the future we are gonna work with them as well, I guess. And the second news was that basically, if you know, in the intro I said that there are two good news is like some. So second good news is that basically finally I'm working on Reels right now. I'm writing the scripts. Maybe I will show in tomorrow's vlog. My hand is hurting right now. I guess this is okay. So yeah, I'm finally working on scripts right now. So I just need to work on it. I just need to shoot the videos. I guess not tomorrow, but from next week I will start shooting the videos as well. Because I guess vlogging is vlogging is enough in my day, and the reels will add another extra task in my life. So I'm just very scared of that, because I'm already working all day. I'm just already working. I've stopped gaming, and yeah, these all kind of things. So yeah, this is for this vlog, I guess. I guess I will see you in the next one. Tomorrow we have lead generation day, so I guess hope for the best. We will rock, and we have the target of 200 leads, so we are gonna send at least 200 emails to the companies, and we'll hope that we will get the reply. And as we will go further, we are gonna increase our target as well, so we can just reach to more clients, and we'll have the more chances to get the response and less chances to go on spam. So yeah, that's the thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just subscribe it, and I will upload more videos like this. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.